loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to actually come to you and show you how you can lay down your lace wigs using a hot comb. This is like the first time I've actually ever used a hot comb all the way through with laying down my lace wigs. Usually I use my curling one, but I wanted to kind of see if the hot comb that I got would lay down my lace wig. So if you guys are interested to see how you can lay down your lace wig flat using a hot comb, then definitely keep watching this video. So basically what I'm going to go ahead and get into is show you guys exactly what wig that I will be demonstrating on. So the wig that I got is from Evawigs.com, and it is their straight wig. I have it in the length, 16 inch. The hair density is 130%. The lace color is supposed to be medium brown. I got it in a petite size. This is supposed to be a full lace cap with adjustable straps in the back. And they stated that the hairline is already pre-plucked. Okay, so before we get into the tutorial, I just want to give you guys just a tidbits on my experience with the wig. Okay, for one, I felt that the density, I don't know, I just felt like the density was way too thin. I know I asked for 130%, but I really thought that it would be a little bit more hair. So that's like one thing I did not like. The color of this wig is a 99J, which is like a burgundy with natural black roots. I really love the color. I love the feel of the hair. I didn't have any experience with shedding or tangling, which is good. I didn't have any experience with smell or odor. Okay, so before I installed the wig onto my head, I decided to kind of go in and customize the hairline. Now, you guys, I had a difficult time with customizing this hairline. Okay, I know that the knots on this wig, it was a little bit bulky for me. Okay, usually like the knots are really small, but for some reason on this wig, I felt like the knots were pretty big. So when I was trying to tweeze the hairline, I did have a difficult time with the hairs actually coming loose, so I could tweeze it and pluck the hairline. So I had a difficult time with that. And then I really didn't want to go in and bleach the knots, because I just knew for a fact that because the knots were so big and the way that they ventilated the lace, it would have took a long time for the knots to bleach, or the knots wouldn't have bleached at all. I just knew for a fact, just dealing with lace wigs and dealing with bleaching knots, I just knew that it was going to be difficult for me. So I decided to go ahead and do the face powder method instead of the bleach knots. Now, with me doing the face powder method, I still had a difficult time hiding the knots on this lace. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and install the wig onto my head. I've already cut the excess lace at the front of the wig. So the next step I'm going to go ahead and do is try to see if my hot comb will lay down my wig super flat. Now, because this is a straight wig, I wanted this wig like super flat, like I had a relaxer. So that's the reason why I went in with the hot comb instead of the curling one. So first things first, when it comes to using the hot comb, you're going to have to go ahead and use small sections. And with using the hot comb, to lay down the parting, is you have to use the back of the hot comb and then comb through it with the comb. Okay, so that's what I did. I kind of took small sections at the front because that's where all the bulkiness was. This lace was very like packed with a lot of hair. So that's why you see me running the hot comb through the lace a few times, because I had a difficult time laying it down with my hot comb. So the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do, and I actually kind of did the chase method. So I did the hot comb and then I turned around and used my flat iron to straighten the rest of the hair. So I basically use the hot comb towards the root of the hair most of the time, and then I use the flat iron for the rest of the hair. And I mean, I would definitely have to say, like, the hot comb did a really good job with laying down my lace wig really flat. But for me, I don't know, I'm the type of chick, like, I love using my curling wand, so I did go in at the very end and just kind of touched in certain areas where I felt that the wig wasn't laying down flat enough, and I just kind of laid or used my curling wand to lay it down even flatter. So basically that's about it. I really wanted a straight look. I love the 99J color. The last thing that I went ahead and did was use some face powder just to kind of define my middle part, and that was about it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you are interested in this wig that I got from Evawigs.com, I will leave all the information for this wig down below in the description section. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this quick video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe so you can stay up to date on all my videos. And then make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at @IAM_ShayAmore. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I will see you guys in the next video.